Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech products on the market. Today, we've got something truly exciting to delve into: the Intel Core i9-14900K processor. Now, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the performance, features, and everything else you need to know about this beast of a CPU. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick overview of what the Intel Core i9-14900K brings to the table. This processor is built on Intel's 14th generation Raptor Lake architecture, and let me tell you, it's packing some serious firepower. With a total of 24 cores and 32 threads, this CPU is an absolute powerhouse, capable of handling anything you throw at it with ease. One of the standout features of the Core i9-14900K is its versatile mix of cores. Intel has designed this chip with a combination of 16 efficient cores and 8 performance cores, allowing it to intelligently allocate resources based on the task at hand. Whether you're gaming, rendering, or multitasking, this processor has got you covered. Now, let's talk performance. I've spent the past few weeks putting the Core i9-14900K through its paces, running a variety of synthetic and real-world benchmarks. And let me tell you, the results are nothing short of impressive. Whether it's rendering complex 3D scenes or tearing through the latest AAA games, this CPU delivers top-notch performance across the board. But of course, all that power comes at a cost. The Core i9-14900K is no slouch when it comes to power draw and temperatures. Under load, this thing can really crank up the heat, so you'll want to make sure you have a beefy cooling solution in place to keep things running smoothly. Speaking of costs, let's talk about value. Now, the Core i9-14900K certainly isn't cheap, but considering the performance it offers, it's actually a pretty solid value proposition. Of course, if you're on a tight budget or only interested in gaming, there may be better options out there for you. So, should you buy the Intel Core i9-14900K? Well, if you're in the market for a high-end processor that can handle anything you throw at it, then absolutely. Its impressive performance and versatility make it a worthy investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike. However, if you're looking for the best bang for your buck, you may want to consider some of the more budget-friendly options out there. And that's a wrap for today's review of the Intel Core i9-14900K. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.